Good morning, guys. So today it's Christmas Eve, so I'm going to be making some cookies for the children to decorate later, ready for Santa. So, really easy today. I brought a box in Aldi. It was only 99p, and it says it makes 10, but we're not going to be using the cutout on this one. Instead, we will be using our Santa cutout and our Christmas tree cutout. So in the box we have our shortbread mix, we have our icing sugar ready for later, as well as some sprinkles and some edible Disney stickers. So on the box it says all you need for this is 60 grams of butter at room temperature, so I got that prepared earlier, and you just need water for the icing sugar and flour for when you're ready to roll. So we are going to open our shortbread mix. We're going to pop this into our bowl. And we're going to add the butter. So all the instructions are on the back of the box. So now we are going to combine the butter and the mixture together using our hands. Right guys, so now we have our mixture rolled into a ball. We are going to put some plain flour down. Just sprinkle it over the side. This just helps for the mixture to stop sticking once you're rolling it. Right, now this is out. I will come back to you once I have all rolled it out. Right, now we have our mixture rolled out. I am going to do some Santa faces. Now we're going to do some Christmas trees. There we go. So now I'm going to put these onto the baking tray, and I will come back to you once I've done that. Out and put on the baking tray. Because it is a shortbread mix, they have to go in the fridge for 20 minutes before I can bake them. So I'm going to get these popped into the fridge, and I will come back to you in 20 minutes when we are ready to put them in the air fryer. Right guys, so we're back. So these have been resting in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to pop them in the air fryer. So we're going to leave them on the baking paper. I'm going to pop them in. So with this one, we're going to be using the Mega Zone. We're going to turn the air fryer on, and we're going to go down to bake. We're going to leave it at 160. We're going to take it down to 10 minutes. And I will come back to you when I'm going to make the icing sugar. Alright, so now we have our icing sugar in our bowl. We have a cup of water and we're just going to add small amounts of water into the icing sugar until it's how we like it. And we're back, so our biscuits are done. On bake on the Ninja at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. So now we have our icing sugar ready, we have our sprinkles, and we have some little edible stickers. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate one of them. So we're going to start with Santa. I'm going to get my icing. I'm just going to spread it around. So as you can tell, I am no professional at this. So this one, we're going to add the candy cane. I'm going to put our candy cane right there, and we're going to add a few sprinkles onto it. And there we go. We have one little Santa ready to eat. I will come back to you once I have finished decorating the others. Right guys, so we're back. Here's the finished look. As I said before, I'm not professional at decorating biscuits, but I think Santa will like them. As I said at the beginning, 99p in Aldi I got this for. So if you want to give them a try, it's great fun with the kids. The kids absolutely loved doing them. They have their own set that they've done ready for Santa. So if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I will be bringing more cooking videos in. If there's something you'd like to see me cook, let me know and I will do it. I hope you all have a happy Christmas and I will see you soon. Thank you.